Aloe vera is great for the skin. But did you know that you can consume it? Welcome to Lifestyle Stalkers. In this video you will learn more about the health benefits of aloe vera. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you won't miss any of our lifestyle videos. Aloe vera has been used for centuries to treat skin conditions like burns, to promote skin healing and also as a skin protectant. But unlike the chemical skin treatments that are in use in modern time, aloe vera gel can also provide health benefits when taken internally. The inner leaves contain a gel-like substance, and this is what the gels you see on the market today should be derived from. The problem is that not all supplement and skincare companies are careful to use the right extracts or the right portion of the leaves. The other portions of the plant can be toxic. Aloin compound. Aloin is a compound found in some species of the plant and in the wrong portions of some of the leaves. Prior to 2003, many over-the-counter laxatives contained aloin. Because of research conducted by the National Toxicology Program, aloin was banned by the FDA. The compound may cause cancer in humans. Today's manufacturers must be very careful to check aloe vera extracts for aloin and remove it or discard the batch if the compound is detected. Not all of today's manufacturers are this careful. So, if you are interested in the health benefits of the good stuff in the extract, you need to be sure to buy the supplement from a reliable manufacturer. Other health benefits of aloe vera. Assuming the extract is a good one, the health benefits of taking the gel may include a reduced risk of cancer. This surprises many people, but others have a better understanding of the balance that exists in nature. It is not really surprising that a plant would contain some compounds that could induce cancer and others that would prevent it. Blood glucose control. Other benefits of consuming small quantities on a regular basis may include better blood glucose control, lower blood lipids, and better liver health, reduced inflammation, better digestive health and improved immune system function. Numerous studies have been conducted concerning the health benefits of aloe vera. Blood glucose control is an issue for people with diabetes type 1 and type 2. But many people with borderline, high, blood sugar levels are unaware they have the problem. If uncontrolled, high blood sugar can lead to nerve damage, tissue death and circulatory diseases. Blood lipids are fats in the bloodstream. The best known is cholesterol, but there are other fats, as well. High blood lipids are associated with an increased risk of heart disease. Inflammation. Inflammation is associated with painful conditions such as ulcerative colitis, but silent inflammation is associated with heart disease. It has no symptoms but slowly causes damage to the blood vessels. Check out our video description to see aloe vera juice and supplements. Although all of these health benefits may sound promising, it is important to realize that aloe vera is only one of many beneficial herbs. In order for any of them to provide the desired benefits, you must be getting all of the nutrients you need on a daily basis. A good multi-nutritional supplement creates a good foundation for you to build on. Are you ready to grab yourself some aloe vera? Check out our recent clip as well here in Lifestyle Stalkers. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.